Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As we have discussed before, decimal fraction and its types. In this we have seen terminating and non-terminating decimal fractions. In this video I am going to explain what is mixed recurring decimal. Let's get started with the definition of mixed recurring decimal. Then what is definition of mixed recurring decimal? A decimal fraction in which some figures do not repeat and some of them are repeated is called as mixed recurring decimal. Let's take example 0.1254 bar and 2.343 bar. Here you can see that in this example the bar is represented over only two digits, that is 5 and 4. There is no bar over 1 and 2, means 5 and 4 are repeated till infinity. In this example the bar is only over 4 and 3, means that digits 4 and 3 are repeated till infinity. Let's discuss with more examples. How to solve these examples means how to convert the decimal fraction into vulgar fraction. The first example is 0.89 bar. How to solve these examples? Just simply write the given example as it is, means that 89 minus the number over which the bar is not represented. You have to write this number as it is minus the number over which bar is not represented. You have to minus that number from this whole number, divided by, you have to take 9 over which the bar is represented and 0 for the number over which bar is not represented, and just simply solve it. 89 minus 8, which is equal to 81 upon 90. 81 can and 90 both can be cancelled by 9. 9 9s are 81 and 9 10s are 90, which is equal to 9 by 10. Hence this is the vulgar fraction for 0.89 bar. Second example is 0.609 bar. Solve similar like that example. 609, write example as it is minus the number over which bar is not represented upon number over which bar is represented. You have to take that much number of 9s in the denominator, and for number over which bar is not represented, 0 for that number, and solve. 609 minus 6, which is equal to 603 upon 990. This can be cancelled with 9. 9 6 are 54, carry 6, it will become 63, and 9 7s are 63 divided by 110. This is the vulgar fraction for this decimal fraction. Third example is 0.012 bar, which is equal to 12 minus 01 divided by, there is only one number over which bar is represented, hence you have to take only 9 in the denominator, and one thing which you have to keep in mind that you have to also take 0 for this 0 also. Hence there are two digits over which bar is not represented, so that there will come 2 zeros, which is equal to 11 upon 900. And this is the vulgar fraction for this decimal fraction. Now let's discuss more examples. These examples are asked in exam. First example is express 0.2956 bar in the form p by q, that is vulgar fraction. How to convert this fraction? Simply, as we discussed before, write this number as it is minus the number over which bar is not represented divided by, you have to take two nines in the denominator and two zeros, which is equal to 2956 minus 29 will become 2927 upon 9900. Hence your option C is correct. Let's take second example. 2.8768 over bar is equal to what? This decimal number can be written as 2 plus 0.8768 bar, which is equal to 2 plus, write number as it is, minus, there is no bar over 8, hence minus 8 from this number, divided by 9990, which is equal to 2 plus 8768 minus 8 will become 8760 upon 9990. This can be cancelled with 3. 3 2s are 6, carry 2, 3 9s are 27 and 3 2s are 6. This 0 will cancel with this 0 and divided by 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9 and 3 3s are 9. Sorry, here will come 2, which is equal to 2 complete 292 upon 333. Hence your option C is correct. Next example, 0.3467 bar plus 0.1333 bar is equal to what? You can solve this example by two methods. Just simply add these fractions, or else first convert these decimal fractions into vulgar fraction and then make addition of these two vulgar fractions. But we will solve this by simply addition. This can be written as 0.3467. There is bar over only 6 and 7, hence here two digits 6 and 7 are repeated. And 0.1333 bar can be written as 0.13333333. Just simply make addition of these two decimal numbers. 7 plus 3 10, 6 plus 4 10, 7 plus 4 11, 6 plus 4 10, 7 plus 4 again 11, 6 plus 4 10, 4 plus 4 8, 3 plus 1 4, 0, which is equal to 0.4801 bar. Here only 01 is repeated, you can see here, so there will come bar over only 0 and 1. Hence your option C is correct. Next example is the sum of 2 bar 0.75 and 3 bar 0.78 is. Here you can see that there is bar before the decimal point, hence it doesn't mean that the 2 is repeated till infinity. The 2 bar 0.75 can be written as minus 2.75 and 3 bar 0.78 can be written as minus 3.78. You have asked the sum of these two decimal numbers, hence minus minus it will become plus, hence the addition of these numbers will 8 plus 5 13, 7 plus 8 15, point minus 3 plus minus 2 minus 5 plus 1 it will become minus 4, which is equal to 4 bar 0.53. Hence your option C is correct.